Hello everyone, welcome to new video in React Basics learning series for beginners. In the previous lecture, basically we learned about how you can set up the routing for your React application, and we used the package called React Router DOM. If you have not watched that video, please go back and watch that. It is very informative and it will help you in setting up the routing for your React application in a right way. And the agenda for this lecture is basically to cover how you can trigger routing based on certain user action, like if user clicks on certain button or some sidebar item, list item, how you can basically route the content to a different basically you can use a different component in your main section, or basically routing to a different component within your application. So let's get started. So first of all, for doing the routing based on the user action, we are going to use one of the hooks from the React Router DOM. The hook is called as useNavigate, and so you can open your application in VS Code and use the npm start command to start the application. If you have followed all the videos so far, you should have the route setup something similar to this. Now if it is not looking similar to this, please go back and watch the previous videos. Also, I have attached my GitHub links to each of the videos, so you can even clone the repository and start from there uh, by removing certain code that you don't need like which is going to be covered as part of this particular video. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started with the setup. Let's get started with the setting up the button which we will be using for routing the user to the to-do app. So what we are going to do is, in the home.js, basically we are going to add a new button. So earlier we had this is home route, this content we had. Now we are going to add a new button here. So for that, basically you need to use the, in the previous videos we imported the basically we installed the and design as part of our project dependency. So from there I'm using this button component, and button component has certain props in it. So one of the props is called type. So let's give it as primary button. Then we need to provide a click handler, so let's call it on click, and I will give the handler name uh, handle go to do app button click. Okay, so let's copy this and create a new method for this. So I just created this handler method, and also I want to give some text inside the button. So let's put a closing bracket and give some name, give some text, go to do app. So this is going to be rendered inside the button. Now so basically, as I said, we are going to use the useNavigate hook provided by the React Router DOM. Before this video we have used only one hook which is provided by the React itself, and that is called useState. I will be covering lot of other hooks provided by the React library itself, and also we are going to learn about how to create custom hooks based on the requirement, but those are going to be part of certain other lectures, and we are going to do all these things in a project based manner so that you understand the things with a real world example. So that's why I'm slowly introducing the hooks, and so far, like from React side we have covered only one hook which is useState. So let's use this useNavigate hook from React Router DOM. So for that, first of all you need to let's and useNavigate hook basically returns method where you can pass the, as a parameter you can pass the route where you want to navigate based on the action. So let's use this use. If you start typing useNavigate, you will be able to see the suggestion, and this useNavigate hook is coming from React Router DOM. As you can see, if the import does not get added automatically in your case, you can write the import something similar to this: import useNavigate and then from React Router DOM. Once this is done, we have a very simple change to do, and here what you can do is, as we have added the click handler for the button, here what you can do is just use the navigate method and pass the route in it. So our path is to do app. That's it. We should be able to navigate to the to do app whenever you click on the uh, go to do app button in your home page. So let's go back and check in the browser. So my app is running here, and let me remove this route from here, hit the root route. So as you can see, okay, this UI does not look very nice, pardon me for that. Let me get rid of this text from here. Okay, so now we have just one button, and I'm going to improve this UI in upcoming videos, but for now just bear with me and see this. If you click on this particular to do app, what will happen? It will basically trigger this handler method, and this handler method ideally should navigate us to the to do app route. So let's click on this and see what happens. When I click on this, as you can see, automatically I got navigated, and this URL gets updated in the URL bar. And let's check the application behavior as well. Learning React basics. Let's add a task. Go to gym. Let's add another task. Mark this as completed. Everything seems to be working fine. So as part of this lecture, you learned how you can make the routing uh, change based on certain action click. Like whenever you click on a button or some user behavior, a link, you should be able to navigate to a specific route and do basically the entire app UI could change, or a certain part of the app UI could change based on the navigation. So two ways to navigate: one is like the URL based, other is based on the UI action. These two things we have covered so far, and that was it for this current video. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn a lot about other features which are part of the React, and which are very important for building your fundamentals or basics for developing a React application. All these things are also going to be very helpful for you in order to give interviews for big tech companies as well as startups. So stay tuned for upcoming videos, and I will see you soon with the next video. Also, please, if these videos are adding value for you, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you are new to the channel, I would highly recommend you to go and check my React basics series for beginners, where I have uploaded a lot of videos related to React basics, and you should be able to get a good grasp around how to set up a React project and get started with a React project if you go through all those videos. Also share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.